Yeah, I really, really hope that our listeners are taking notes on that. So there's only, I got a couple of books back here that changed the way that I view the world. And I think this conversation that we just had right here, this little piece that you just explained to me was like taking my blinders off and being able to see on a completely different level. I would have never thought to think about showing up in the second set of results, right? If I'm not on the first page, that in my mind, that was the only way to win that game, was to be there where they saw you. But now, if I think about it like you just explained, working it through your avatar's eyes, going in there, searching for the kid-friendly environment or the pet-friendly environment, and making sure that we show up on those listings, that's genius. That's a really, I don't know how I can explain how valuable just that little piece of information was. That was awesome.